Are you looking for the best steam shower generators? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best steam shower generators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, CGOLDENWALL 6 kWh Luxury Generator. The CGOLDENWALL 6 kWh Luxury Self-Draining Steam Generator is a high-performance steam bath system designed to deliver a premium spa experience right at home. Built with dual tank technology, it produces a consistent flow of soft and smooth steam while minimizing noise. Its waterproof digital control panel allows easy temperature adjustment within the 95-131 degrees range, ensuring personalized comfort. The generator features durable stainless steel tanks and quality components, including an aromatherapy 360-degree round steam head, auto drain valve, and a 32-foot cable for flexible installation. With a compact design, it can be conveniently installed in small spaces such as a vanity or closet, making it ideal for home bathrooms. The system automatically drains water and limescale 15 minutes after each use, ensuring quick steaming and long-term cleanliness without manual drainage. Certified with CE and ISO 9001-2000, it offers multiple safety protections including water shortage, overheat, and tank pressure protection. Designed for spaces up to 6 m3 212 feet 3, the CGOLDENWALL 6 kWh steam generator combines efficiency, reliability, and ease of use to provide a luxurious and safe steam bath experience for your home spa. Number 2, Delta Faucet SimpleSteam Generator. The Delta Faucet SimpleSteam 7.5 kg Steam System Kit in Matte Black offers a luxurious and modern steam experience for your home spa or bathroom. This complete kit includes the 7.5 kWh steam generator, a square digital control panel, and a matching square steam head, all featuring a sleek matte black finish that complements contemporary bathroom designs. Built from durable stainless steel, the system combines reliability with style and efficiency. Its compact design allows for flexible installation in small spaces such as a vanity, closet, or insulated attic or basement. The kit comes with a 35-foot control cable, while optional accessories like a generator pan and auto drain system, Model 5GA Pad 2D40 are available separately for enhanced convenience and maintenance. Available in multiple power sizes ranging from 4 kW to 15 kW, the 7.5 kW model is ideal for medium-sized steam rooms, delivering consistent and soothing steam for a relaxing experience. Designed with Delta's signature craftsmanship and transitional styling, the SimpleSteam system ensures both elegant aesthetics and dependable performance for years of comfort and enjoyment. Number 3, CGOLDENWALL Luxury Steam Generator. The CGOLDENWALL 10.5 kWh Luxury Steam Generator System Kit is a complete home spa steam solution designed to heat spaces up to about 10.5 meters 371 for 3 with fast warm-up and smooth, consistent steam. It features dual tank technology for quieter operation, a waterproof digital control panel offering a temperature range of 95-131 degrees, 35 to 55 degs, and adjustable run times, an aromatherapy-ready 360-degree round steam head, stainless steel tanks and components, and an auto drain function that automatically clears water and limescale roughly 15 minutes after use. Installation is relatively flexible, compact enough to be placed in a vanity, closet, attic, or basement, but does require substantial wiring. For example, in USA, wiring guidance calls for 6 AWG wire and a 70 amp GFCI breaker. The unit also carries CE and ISO 9001 certifications and includes safety protections for water shortage, overheat, and tank pressure. Compared to smaller models, e.g. the 6 kW version rated for 6 m3, this 10.5 kW unit offers significantly more capacity for larger steam rooms. Number 4, MrSteam MS225EC1 Steam Generator. The MrSteam MS225EC1 residential steam generator is a premium 7.5 kW home steam system designed to deliver a professional-grade spa experience with advanced precision and reliability. Constructed from 100% recyclable stainless steel inside and out, this generator ensures exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. It features a microprocessor-based operating control system and a precision temperature probe for consistent and accurate steam regulation, maintaining optimal comfort within the steam room. The unit also includes removable and serviceable heating elements for easy maintenance, a full port drain valve for efficient water removal, and an integrated automatic time cutoff for safety. UL and CSA listed for quality assurance. The MS225EC1 operates quietly and efficiently, producing rich, soothing steam for spaces up to approximately 161 feet, about 4.6 Dimitri. Compact and modern in design, it can be installed conveniently in a closet, vanity, or insulated attic, making it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a reliable, high-performance steam solution that blends safety, sustainability, and luxury. Number 5. Delta Faucet SimpleSteam Generator. The Delta Faucet SimpleSteam 4 kW Steam System Kit in Lumicoat Chrome Model 5P-EST04PR is a stylish and compact home steam shower solution designed for both functionality and elegance. The kit includes a 4 kW SimpleSteam generator, a square digital control panel, and a matching square steam head with a 35-foot cable for flexible installation. With dimensions of 13.44 Dix 1963 UX 21/4H, the generator's compact design allows it to fit conveniently in a vanity, closet, or insulated attic or basement. Built with durable stainless steel and featuring a sleek chrome finish, this transitional style system ensures reliability and a modern aesthetic. The generator is also available in multiple sizes: 4, 6, 7.5, 10, 12, and 15 kilowatt to accommodate various shower sizes, and optional accessories like a generator pan and auto drain. Model 5GA Pad 240 can be purchased separately for enhanced convenience and maintenance.